Hi guys, and welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today you will learn how to change clip speed in Camtasia Studio 9. Make sure to check out the description for some useful free resources, and let's go! To change speed, go to Visual Effects and just drag and drop this clip speed effect on your video clip. You can see that effect is added. To see effect, just click this arrow and you can try to squeeze or stretch video. If you squeeze it, it will be faster, and if you stretch it, it will be slower. You can also change speed over here in the Properties panel. 100 is a regular speed, so try to set it to 2.00 to double the speed. You can play with these values over here. You can change minutes, seconds, frames if you want precisely set the video speed. And this is it. This is a quick way how to change clip speed in Camtasia Studio 9. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you know when the new tutorial is out. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.